Hey guys, now are some of you wondering why your date didn't get too impressed with you? Or do you always feel that you won't be selected at that job interview because your personality is, well, not so likable? In fact, a friend called Miranda once told me that she lacks that special something because of which she feels like she can't make too many friends or have a really good social life to help her in her career. Now, these problems that I've just talked about, they are something that we all can relate to. Because, let's face it, we have all felt like that at some point or the other, haven't we? But you know what? I carefully observed people who are socially attractive, and I realized one thing. They have the secret to being attractive or having this magnetic personality. So, guys, what is the secret? To know more, please watch the complete video where I will share 3 main things to make you instantly attractive, instantly likable in less than 5 minutes.